Hi viewers, in this video I am discussing some multiple choice questions from the chapter Polynomial of Class 10 Mathematics. CBSE is asking 20 mark MCQ out of 80 marks. That means 25%. So MCQ is very important. Which of the following is a polynomial? From this we can see root 2x minus 3 root x plus root 6 is a polynomial. Next one is, which of the following is not a polynomial? We know that the expressions like 1 by x, root x are not polynomial. Therefore, x plus 1 by 3 by x is not a polynomial. Here the power of x is negative 1. The polynomial x squared minus 2x minus 3. We can factorize it and we will get a x minus 3 into x plus 3. Therefore, the answer is 3 minus 1. I am not giving any options because the options are not important now. You have to know how to get the answer. Next question number 4. The zeros of the polynomial 4x squared plus 5 root 2x minus 3. We have to find the zeros. Now we are factorizing this one. Then we will get the factorization like that. From this one we will get a x as these two values. Therefore the zeros of the polynomial is minus 3 by root 2 and 1 by 2 root 2. Next one is a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 5 and minus 3. We have to write the polynomial here. From this equation we will get the sum as 2 and the product as minus 5. Therefore the quadratic equation or the polynomial is x squared minus sum into x plus product. We will get the answer as a x squared minus 2x minus 15. Next question number 6. If alpha and beta are the zeros of x squared plus 5x plus 8, then the value of alpha plus beta, we can see that a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 8. From that one we need the value of alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 5. Next question number 7. If alpha and beta are the zeros of 2x squared plus 5x minus 9, then the value of alpha beta. We know that this product of the root is equal to c by a. Therefore, the answer is minus 9 by 2. Next one. Question number 8. If one zero of the quadratic polynomial kx squared plus 3x plus k is 2, then the value of k is. In this polynomial, the value of the k is given. Therefore, we have to substitute the value of k, that as x is equal to 2. By substituting the value of x is equal to 2, 1 0 is 2, then the question it is given, substitute the value of x is equal to 2, then we will get the value of k is equal to minus 6 by 5. Next question number 9. If 1 0 of 3x squared plus 8x plus k be reciprocal of the other, then the value of k. In the question it is given that the one root is the reciprocal of the other. Reciprocal means if one root is 3, the other root is 1 by 3, or if one root is 7, the other root is 1 by 7. Like that, the reciprocal. In the question it is given that 1 0 of the polynomial is reciprocal of the other. If we are taking one root as alpha, then the other root is 1 by alpha. Therefore, what is the product? Alpha into 1 by alpha. The answer is 1. But we know that the product of the root is equal to c by a. Therefore, it is alpha beta is equal to k by 3. Substituting the values, then we will get the answer k is equal to 3. Now we can discuss some problems related to the cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial is any polynomial of degree 3 is known as cubic polynomial. If alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of the polynomial 2x cubed plus x squared minus 13x plus 6, then what is alpha, beta? We know that the product of the zeros, that is alpha into beta into gamma, is equal to minus d by a. Substitute, all the values are given in the question, therefore substitute the value, then we will get a product of the root alpha beta is equal to minus 3. If alpha, beta, gamma be the zeros of the polynomial px such that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 3, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to minus 10, alpha beta gamma is equal to minus 24, then what is p of x? P of x means we have to write the polynomial. 3 roots are given or 3 zeros are given, therefore the equation will be of x raised to 3. Substituting each values, then we will get the polynomial as x raised to 3 minus 3x squared minus 10x plus 24. Next question. If sum of zeros of a quadratic polynomial kx squared plus 2x plus k is equal to the product, then k is equal to, in the question it is given that the sum is equal to the product. According to the question, sum of the roots is equal to product. ABC we know from the equation, substituting each values and solving, we will get a k is equal to minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 is the correct answer. Question number 12. If one zero of a quadratic polynomial kx squared plus 3x plus k is 2, then the value of k is minus 6 by 5. Question number 13. If 1 by 2 is a root of the equation x squared plus kx minus 5 by 4 is equal to 0, then the value of k. Here, one root is given as 1 by 2. Therefore, x, we can give the value 1 by x. After substituting the value x is equal to 1 by 2 in the given equation, we will get the value of k. So, the value of k is equal to 1. Next one, question number 14. If the zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax squared plus bx plus c, where c is not equal to 0, are equal when the options are given, the correct answer is c and a have the same sign. If the zero of the quadratic polynomial are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign, the question it is given that they are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign, then sum of the zeros is 0. Sometimes for the MCQ question they will give a graph and we have to write the number of zeros or find the number of zeros from the graph. The number of zeros we will get from the graph is from how many points that graph is touching the x-axis. That will be the answer. Here in this graph we can see x-axis and y-axis. The graph is touching the x-axis at only one point. Therefore, the number of zeros of this graph is 1. Here, it is touching 2 points on the x-axis. Therefore, number of zeros is 2. Here, the graph is touching 3 points on the x-axis, 1, 2, 3. Number of zeros is 3. It is touching only 1 point on the x-axis, therefore number of 0 is 1. Touching only 1 point, number of 0 is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore number of zeros is 4. You can check the playlist for more MCQ questions from other chapters.